back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. Don't forget we have a couple active giveaways going on. They are going to be linked down below, so definitely enter if you have not already. But as you can see, today we are going to be unboxing October 2019 Jackie's Chocolate. Perfect subscription for this time, right? Halloween candy, chocolate, yes. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Jackie's Chocolate, and then we'll get into seeing what exactly is in here. So I did go ahead and cut the box just to open it because it was actually delivered yesterday, and I know that they have like an ice pack in the box. So I wanted to actually take that out because I didn't want it to melt or anything. I mean, it was like a cloth, but still, because I wasn't feeling the best yesterday, still not feeling the best, but we're just gonna roll with the punches. But when you open the box, this is how it comes. It comes in an insulated package. And like I said, there was a little like gel ice pack in there. I put it back in here just to be safe. And then it comes like this. So cute. And then there was also this bag. So I have unboxed Jackie's Chocolates before. They did kindly send this to me again for review, so thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I know a lot of you guys have actually asked to see this again, so it's a win-win. There is always a cute little Jackie's Chocolate button and sticker. And then there's always this little card with a gorgeous picture of Miss Jackie herself. And I love this because I have a picture of my grandmother that is very similar to this picture because that's how they were taken back when. And my grandmother's name was Jackie as well. So I really enjoy this. But it always says, a visit from Grandma Jackie always meant three things: a warm hug, stories about Lake, and I can never say this, y'all, Lake Nebagamon, and a box of her old-fashioned handmade chocolates. Stubborn and wise, Jackie never swayed from using the freshest and purest ingredients in her chocolates. We're proud to keep Jackie's tradition alive and happy to share her gift with you. So there is, again, Miss Jackie. And let's see. There's always a paper that tells us all about okay, so this is, like I said, the Jackie's Chocolate monthly subscription, and this is, says, the perfect treat to pamper yourself or surprise a loved one. Each month, receive a half-pound assortment of artisan chocolates, including crunchy nuts, chewy caramels, fluffy marshmallows, and creamy truffles, enrobed in silky milk chocolate, decadent dark chocolate, and velvety white chocolate. It's approximately 15 chocolates per box, and it says our team carefully curates each month's box, often coming up with clever and tasty tributes to the holidays. So they have, obviously, for Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day. It's great. The subscription is $27.50 a month with free shipping, and they do have 3, 6, and 12-month plans that will actually be cheaper per month, so you could save some money. So and then, like I said, it does talk here about how they use the thermal insulation, the deep freeze cold packs, and it's very quick shipping. So once it's out to you, you usually get it in 2 to 3 days, which is fantastic. So, and then I like this. They do include a sheet that tells you all about what each of the chocolates in your box is. So let's open it up and see. Usually, y'all, they are always like the most gorgeous looking chocolates. I remember actually last fall was the first time I reviewed for them, and one of the chocolates literally had like these gorgeous leaves on it. Like, it was so beautiful. I didn't even want to like touch it. I'm like, it's gorgeous. All right, so again, this is out of the cellophane. The box is nice. They've changed the box. It's like this textured box. They have some again. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh my god, this looks so good, y'all. Okay. But can y'all see? Like, see the leaves, the pumpkins, leaves over here. Is that a turkey? Oh, no. I thought this middle one was a turkey at first. It's just a pretty design. But look at that. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so let's see what flavors we got. All right, so we have, I don't know if I'm even gonna say this correctly. Y'all know I butcher stuff. Halloween is it Perils? I'm not sure. It's right here. But I do know what they are, and that's these guys right here. These with the little sprinkles. So I do know what they are. And then in here we have a dark chocolate buttercream, a dark chocolate vanilla truffle, a milk chocolate walnut cluster, dark chocolate hazelnut truffle, milk chocolate maple nut cream, milk chocolate sea salt caramel, yes please, milk chocolate pumpkin pie truffle, y'all, oh my gosh, dark chocolate maple leaf truffle, dark chocolate pumpkin pie truffle, milk chocolate peanut butter truffle, white chocolate butter pecan truffle, ooh, milk chocolate English toffee squares, yum, white chocolate raspberry cheesecake truffle, ooh. Okay, so the white chocolate raspberry cheesecake, yes please, yes, 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 yes. And y'all, the milk chocolate pumpkin pie, what? I don't know, but the problem is I don't know how to tell what's what. I don't know which one would be the pumpkin pie. Unless, because there's a dark chocolate and a milk chocolate pumpkin pie. And there are two that have pumpkins, and this one is a dark chocolate and this one is a milk chocolate. So I'm going to try this milk chocolate one, and I'm going to guess, based on the fact that this has pumpkins, how cute, that this is the pumpkin pie. So are y'all ready? I know I'm ready. Pumpkin pie and chocolate? What? Mm-hmm. It is. Oh my gosh. That is so good. But it's like a creamy center. Y'all, that is amazing. So, so good. So, this is definitely a wonderful variety, in my opinion, of chocolates. I mean, you've got vanilla, you have some that have like walnuts, you have the butter pecan, the English toffee, maple leaf, maple nut, the caramel, the white chocolate raspberry cheesecake truffle. You have a buttercream, you know, I mean, and then obviously if I didn't say the pumpkin pie. So I just love the variety, again, of not just the flavors, but the milk chocolate, the dark chocolate, even some white chocolate in there. And let me move this guy out the way. And they're just stunning. They're beautiful. Like, this is not something you're gonna go to Target or somewhere and buy in a bag. Not at all. These chocolates are just absolutely amazing. Like, when I took that first bite, it took a second to actually taste the pumpkin because the chocolate like instantly like started to melt and was just so creamy. And then you get that pumpkin, and I love that it's not overwhelming, because you know, sometimes with pumpkin spice, even though I am that girl and I love my pumpkin spice, sometimes pumpkin spice can be like in your face. That was not the case with this. It was literally like the perfect balance of chocolate and just enough that you taste that pumpkin, but it wasn't overwhelming. It's amazing. All of their chocolates always have been, so if you are looking for a gift, because we are getting close to the holiday season, this would make a great gift. You could do a 3-month subscription and actually get it cheaper than the $27.50. And like I said, it does have free shipping. But even if you didn't do it as a gift, if you just did it as a gift to yourself, I'm just saying, because it's just so yummy. That's all I can say. I mean, that's what it comes down to, is it is just super yummy. They're amazing. You definitely can taste the love in these chocolates. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, please don't forget about those giveaways. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.